Yo, it's your boy Rockingfinger. Welcome to my channel again. This week, when we talk about Rockingfinger, you know what it is about. The content is about educational and music, So let's dive into what we have here today. If this is your first time on the channel today, make sure you click on the subscribe button at the down of this video. Please make sure you click on that, like, share, and comment in the comment section as well. And today, I brought us a new guest in the building. This guest he's a guy actually. He played the musical instrument called the piano, and he played the keyboard as well. And he has been into this, and he's a professional on this game. So we'll be taking an interview in the journey of how he started, what are the inspiration that inspired him, and what he has for us. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Peace. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I have the guest here today. Please introduce yourself to the viewer.
Well, my name is Kelvin, aka Kikis by name.
Oh, Kelvin, aka what do you know? The aka, what does it mean? Type in the comment section. I want to know what that aka means. Don't tell them what the aka means. It's a aka K what? Kikis. Do you know what that means? It means another level of professionality in playing the piano. Oh, I love that. So what's the inspiration like? What inspired you to start learning this piano?
Though I didn't have any idea or any, how can I put it? I didn't have any idea of learning it, but though in my church then, so there was not any keyboard there. So I just decided that how will a church be a zonal headquarters for that matter? And no keyboard, so I just decided on let me learn this stuff. At least myself I will know the password. So nobody taught me how to play. I just sat down during the corona time that wetin happen now, make I play this thing, make I one or two I run it.
Oh wow, I love that. I always tell you that about everything that one doing in this life, there's always the inspiration about it. So he's inspired because there was no keyboardist in their church, so he was inspired to learn the piano, to serve the function of playing it for their church and to serve the function of worshiping God. But I think learning this piano and something is a hard thing to do. So how can you just sit down without a mentor, without anybody, teacher, and just figure out how to play it by yourself?
Yeah.
Like how do you do it?
I didn't have any mentor. Though my mom was a music director at the area I live, but we don't go to the same church. Okay. So sometimes me and my mom just sit down. My mom will say, bó ṣe ń play yìí kò lọ o wà á tún ṣe me too I now because my mom usually tell me that ṣé ó lọ létí ẹ that's why when I resumed to the school when Mr. Okeda do teach us that head training I now remember my mom do say egg something so if my
you attend the music school, the Federal Polytechnic
yeah.
Okay.
So my mom was saying that tó bá play kini ṣó máa lọ so when my mom has gone out, I will lock myself inside the room. I will buy battery, so I will start playing. I will start singing by myself. So I will start singing. One of my sister, so she will video me. After she video me, she now
just look at the feedback.
Yeah, she now say that teach her so me too I will go small. Up to now, I thank God. I keep going.
Wow, you are very opportune because you have family support. If you think, some people don't have that family support because people think that music. What's music? What do you want to do in music? You want to learn piano? What is the piano for? When they are doctors, they are lawyers, they are practitioners out there. They are earning big money out there. But it's in music, you have a great opportunity for your parents to support you, and I'm so glad. So people that are now learning the piano, they are struggling with it. What's your advice to them?
Though now, to my own view, most people are just learning piano just to be more ill.
To be impressed.
Yeah, because some people are just saying, cocky so that all the man say to all of him not pay I'm so boss. No, piano is not about that. It's just about you giving your time. Because this
is about a passion.
Yes. Because now, this thing that we are just struggling now, one day there's opportunity that's going to take us far away. That we say shame no more play because through this piano small that I'm playing before this my oga dey tell me say small that I'm playing I know where I've been to with this and small and some of everything I've buy to myself.
Through playing of this
Yeah,
piano.
yeah,
You
yeah.
see, we always talk, the last time we talk about the passion you have for your music is what brought you the money, is what will help you with the financial aspect, and it is the passion that helped him to be where it is today. So with your passion to music, with your passion to any instrument you want to learn, and you learn with the passion, come on, I'm telling you, you will be great in it. So on this note, I'm saying thank you so much for joining me on the channel today. It's still your boy Israel the Rocking Finger. If you have not subscribed to the channel right now, make sure you do that now. At the bottom of this video, you will see the subscribe button. Click on it, like and share to more viewers, and comment in the comment section. Let me hear your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me. Peace out.